Good morning, dear students. Today I want to take class for class 4th mathematics. In my last video, I solved one problem, exercise 1.2 problem. Remaining two problems are you try to in your house. If you have any doubts, call me. I will give a solution to you. Now, today area of simple shapes. How we identify area of simple shapes? Here are some pictures. First one, table, blackboard, notebook. The space or the region bound by a given closed figure is called its area. The space means this one. This is the space. The space or the region bound by a given closed figure is called its area. How to find the area of a shape? In which of the circumstances does a carpenter calculate the area? How will he know about this by visiting a carpenter shop? Visit a tailor shop and know how much of cloth is required to stitch a shirt for you. You all familiar with carpenter and tailor. Carpenter, what did he do? He do furnitures to us. Furnitures, blackboards, benches, doors. These are furnitures made by carpenter. You visit near your house carpenter shop and see how he measure. What measurements. How he measure the area of that furniture or other things. And tailor, visit a tailor shop. I think already you all went with your parents tailor shop for stitching school uniform or other things, school uniforms, shirts or festival clothes. Like that, list out any 4 circumstances where we usually calculate area. For example, they give us area of the floor of a room. If we want our floor tiling with the tiles, then what we do? First of all, that tiling manager came and measured the floor of that room, and he told us how much tiles he want to tiling the floor. So here example is given by them, area of the floor of a room, and then area of playground, If your PT teacher wants to play you a football or volleyball, first of all he measured the playground. Construction of road area. If you want to build roads, if you want to construct roads, the engineer, he measured the area of that environment. Third one, if you want to tide or if you want to construct a boundary to your fields, so the revenue manager came. It means revenue commissioners of some people of revenue officers, they came and measure the fields. Measure the fields area. Then what he told, from here to here, this is your fields area. You should tide a boundary to your fields. They give guidance to us. How is the area found out in all the above circumstances? Generally, the area of a shape. Generally, the area of a shape is obtained by multiplying the length and its breadth. Generally, the area of a shape is obtained by multiplying the length and its breadth. Unit of area. How we measure unit of area? This is a graph paper. This is a graph paper. Here we calculate the units in centimeters. In centimeters. Each square has 1 centimeter. Each square have 1 centimeter. So dear students, look here. Here is a graph paper. Here is one big square. Here is one big square. In that square, how many small squares? 1 centimeters. If you want to get a help of this your ruler, every box is contains 1 centimeter. These are the centimeters. This side, these are the inches. So in graph paper, if you want to draw any figure, you calculate units as a centimeters. So here is a big square, and in that one centimeters. 1 centimeter squares are there. How many squares are there in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares. It means 9 centimeter. Similar, here is one rectangle. In that rectangle, how many squares and how many centimeters? Each box have 1 centimeter measurement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 boxes or 8 units. It contains 1 centimeter. So this rectangle has 8 centimeter. Observe the two figures drawn on a graph sheet. Which one is bigger? How to find out? Which one bigger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So square is this figure. First figure is bigger than second figure, because here 9 squares are 1 centimeters. 9 units are here, but here only 8 units. By how many squares is the first figure bound? It is bound by 9 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then already that means the area of first figure is 9 and the area of second figure is 8. Here you have expressed the area without using any unit. What is the unit of area? Think. Already you know that the area of shape is obtained by multiplying its length and breadth. This is length, this is breadth. In the above figures, what is the length of the first figure? That means what is the measurement of AB? AB, here this is AB. AB is how many centimeter? 3 centimeter. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. What is the measurement of breadth? BC. See, BC. 1, 2, 3. Here is also 3 centimeter. By using the measurement of these two sides, find the area of first figure. Area of first figure is equal to first figure 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. It means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Both side 3 centimeter. Area of first figure, because in square both sides are equal, not opposite sides. Both sides, all sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. If this is 3 centimeter, this is also 3 centimeter. If this is 3 centimeter, AB also 3 centimeter. So area of first figure is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 9 into 9. 3 into 3. 3 3 is the 9. Cm means square centimeter, 9 square centimeter, because we multiply cm 2 times, so 9 centimeter square. How we read it? 9 square centimeter. We read it as a 9 square centimeter. Square centimeter is the unit of area when measurements are in centimeter. Square centimeter is the unit of area when measurements are in centimeters. When the two measurements expressed in centimeter are multiplied, the unit of the product obtained is expressed in square centimeter. Read as centimeters. How we read it? Read as square centimeter. This is square centimeter. So 9 square centimeter. First figure is 9 square centimeter. And second figure is how much? How much? Tell me. Think. I will send one one PDF or one examples. You think and answer me. First one is 3 into 3. Second one is 1, 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 square centimeter. First one is 3 into 3. Second one is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So first one is here. Second figure. What we see here? We see 2 into 4. It means 8 square centimeter. Thank you.